Monday, June 19, 2023. We're at St. James on the Port Jeff branch. We're here to see the second of two dual modes running between Port Jeff and Penn Station. Train 619, departing Port Jeff at 7:10, arriving St. James at 7:25. On the new schedule since February 27th, train 613 departing at 5:54. It's the first of two dual modes out of Port Jeff. Train 619 running with DM30AC 504 leading, 521 on the rear with 7 cars. 504 and 521 both have the K5 LLA chime. This train is running on time, should be here shortly, within the next couple of minutes. Time now is 7:26, actually already a minute late. And again, this train should be here shortly. Alright, time now is 7:28 as the lead engine of train 619 sounded off at the Mills Pond Road crossing just to the east of here. Actually, the second crossing to the east of here. As the gates for Mauritius Road just to the east of here is going down.